Okay, you can see I have my ruby coat all laid out, and I have sewn the facings and across the top together. And here is my lining versus my main. So you can see that is much shorter, and that is okay. That is what's supposed to happen. So you're going to take one end here. See where you have left it unstitched at the bottom? You're going to pull this down to meet the bottom here, like this. So this is going to bubble up. That is totally okay. You're going to do this, and you're going to go all the way across, pulling it down, and pin it as you go until you get to the other side of the facing. And you're going to do the same thing by pulling it down to meet the main. And then you're going to stitch all the way across.